always been running on track, always. Since the time I started walking, maybe, I've been on track. My parents both were into sports. My mom's a double Olympian and my dad is also an international athlete. So those genes also were there in me, and looking at my mom run and qualify for the Olympics, it motivated me and inspired me to, take up sports and athletics. For me, sports means life. Like, without sports, I don't think I would be anything right now. I've never thought about anything else except sports. Hi, I'm Unnati Ayappa. I'm from Bangalore and I'm an athlete. I run 100-meter hurdles, 200 meters and 400-meter hurdles. When I first saw my mom running and everything, I also wanted to run like her. I also wanted to, become an Olympian and an Olympic medalist or an Asian Games medalist.
It's Unnati Ayappa Bolanda of India for having scored 30.9.
I have represented India in 2 Olympics. One is in 2000, another one was in 2008. I had a dream of winning an Asian Games medal from young age. I didn't had a dream of representing India at Olympics or World Championship, Commonwealth, no, nothing. Only my aim was like, I have to win a medal at Asian Games. So one or the other thing I couldn't from 1998. So when I won a medal at Asian Games, it was the best moment of my life.
I was maybe 8 years or 6 years old when I saw her win the Asian Games medal. I was so proud of her at that point. At that point, I actually didn't know how hard it is to get up there. I was just like, okay, it's easy, I was young.
So from the time Unnati was born, she was able to walk. We used to take her to the field, leave her in the sand pit. She'll be playing in the sand. So she was like bottom like that. So she has seen athletics from the time she could see something,
From the young age, when I was going to stadium, I used to take her along with me. Do it proper.
Eight to 14 years old, I was with my mom training, basics, just some sprints and some small hurdles and everything. After that, I started doing, the higher hurdles, and so that's the time I went to my dad.
I didn't have to do any correction in her running or something because she was a natural runner.
So in 2022, that was my first international. I went to school World Games and I didn't expect anything much. I was just very happy to represent India. That was my first Indian jersey. So in the finals, I was just like, just whatever you have in you, just run. And I ran and I got the bronze and I was very happy. After World School Games, 2023, I had a Asian Junior. I got qualified, and but then while qualifying, I pulled my quadriceps, so I couldn't run that great in Asians. I think last year when I was in JSW, I don't think my mindset was in the right path. So I told my parents that I'm going to come back. I don't want to stay here anymore. I told my dad I'm not been physically, fit also. So just do something and, pick me up as soon as possible.
She was not performing well in 2023. So I took a bold decision to take her out of JSW, get her back to me. And she was also very happy to come back to me. And we focused on what she did in 2023, which should not happen in 2024.
So at the starting of the year, we just focused a lot on my technique, my endurance. In 2024, I went to Asian Junior, which was held in Dubai, and I won a bronze there, 100 hurdles. And after that, I went to World Juniors in Peru. After that, I came back here in Chennai. I had SAF Games, South Asian. I got 2 golds there in 100-meter hurdles and 200. My dad, he knows my body really well. He knows what I'm doing, what I'm not doing. If I'm going into a wrong path, he will pull me back and get me into the right path. So he knows me really well. So we worked, and that's how he picked me up, and that's how I did good in Asians. And really, I did good because of my dad only in Asians. I really think that only.
So initially we focused on sprint events like 100-meter hurdles and 200 meters, where she has done well, and now we have decided to change her to 400-meter hurdles.
400 hurdles is harder than 100 hurdles, obviously, but I feel that because of my body, like how tall I am, my stride length, my speed and my rhythm, everything suits for 400 hurdles. Obviously it is hard, but then once you've spoken that you're going to change your event, you have to prepare your mind for it. So I'd already put my mindset like that it's going to be harder, and I have to push myself in every workout. I have to put 100% in every training, because it's not going to be easy.
Initially everybody will say, I want to become an Olympic champion. But once they grow only, they will come to know how difficult it is.
How tough
Now,
it is to reach.
Initially she was thinking, Mama is a double Olympian. Now she is to go to 2 Olympics, how much they have to put effort. Just to qualify and go. Because my parents are good athletes, I will also become
a champion. 2026 we have Asian Games. Yes, we will be concentrating on Asian Games. That is the first step before Olympics. Asian Games, she has to win a medal. The national anthem has to be sung in the stadium. And at 2028 Olympics, that's it. That's our dream.
I really look up to my mom, Her dream was to get a medal, but then it couldn't happen, so I want to get it for her. I also want to be better than her. She also wants me to be better than her. I want to get an Asian gold, and I also want to get an Olympic medal. That will be, that's my dream.